This is my sub $100 Ryco light turn signal kit. Got 2 buttons on each side in the grill. This is the turn stalk that's made by Vehicle Safety Equipment, and I think it's 51 bucks plus shipping. Doesn't interfere with the paddle shifting. Those are my $15 halos. So halos were 15 bucks. Turn signal was 50. My horn and relay was like $15. And then my button lights were like 5 to 7 bucks. The Ryco kits are really great for those vehicles that have daytime running lights, like my RMAX. But, you know, I don't like drilling holes for button in my fascia. I drilled 3 tiny holes for these zip ties. They do make these modules for 25 bucks that have integrated daytime running lights. So I robbed the lights here and used a lighted whip connector there to feed my license plate light, which is hidden there. And then I use the leads to power my cob light here, and then I can pull this out and move it around if I leave something in the floorboard.